Good morning, everyone. My name is Jafar Sadiq Ali. I'm working as a professor in the Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering of Sri Muthukumar Institute of Technology, Chennai. I'm handling the subject of IoT concept applications. And moving on to the Unit 5, today we are going to talk about the environmental smart monitoring and surveillance systems. Okay, let's move on to this topic straight away. Smart environment monitoring and surveillance systems. It's called SEM, Smart Environment Monitoring. The sustainable development of society depends heavily on maintaining a clean as well as a healthy environment. You see our city health how clean it is and how the people's health is going to be. So it's going to be $1 million question for us. So if one day if the people go on strike without cleaning, then our we see a lot of diseases coming up in the next week itself. So the most unavoidable thing is we of a city or whatever is rural areas is we have to have our home clean, our street clean, our area clean, and also our water has to be clean water, and also our air should be a pollution free and hazardous free environment also. This is what the main thing for a human to live in a healthy life. So with the traditional environmental monitoring systems methods are often very slow and require manual data collections because we cannot go and check manually the air quality, water quality, weather conditions, and radiation levels, and also the pollutions directly affecting human health as well as the entire economic of the systems. So now we are forced to move into the introduction of IoT using sensors. Sensors can continuously monitor environmental parameters and provide real-time information. Modern systems also use artificial intelligence and machine learning techniques to analyze environmental data more and more accurately and predict future conditions also. Therefore, smart monitoring system helps governments, industries, and normal citizens also maintain a safer and healthier environment. Need for environment. This slide highlights environmental monitoring such as this image of this environment. See the trees are there and the greenish sensors are kept placed all over there using the cellular tower. The informations are then passed on to the central process systems, and the some solar panel also is there to make the energy efficient for the sensors to be always active mode. See, in this environmental monitoring survey systems, images are captured very frequently, and also study has been made is for the crop analysis, some fertility analysis, water contaminations analysis, irrigations analysis, and crop productivity or some diseases also if anything happens now analysis, and also some fruits and vegetables health analysis also. Everything is to be done using this. And see here, research on IoT based SEM systems, smart environmental monitoring systems, plant growth, next one is crop quality growth, and leaf area index, and crop quality also has been deeply studied, and smart farming also, smart irrigation also using done, and pest controlling also is to be studied, and the crop area also needs to be studied, and various research papers have studied all these nook and corners of the even the leaf area index also they have done the studies. And see this cloud as the main part of the systems. The cloud provides the basic architecture of an IoT based environmental monitoring systems. The system consists of some many sensors and also communication networks also, and also cloud platform also, which is the vital part of the systems, and also some mobile applications of the users. Sensors continuously collect all the environmental data such as clean water data, the contaminated water data, and also environmental data, and smart area also data. Everything is being collected and transmitted through wireless communication network. It's using just using such as Wi-Fi or Zigbee or LoRa or any other cellular networks also. The information is then stored and processed in cloud servers where advanced big data analytics algorithms is to be used for displaying infographics information to the end users. Users can access the results through mobile applications or some web page dashboards also. This architecture enables real-time monitoring and also remote management of environmental conditions. Again, the research papers on IoT-based smart water pollution monitoring systems. Not only water quality monitoring systems, you can go for air quality monitoring systems also, and you can go for crop pesticides or some crop leaf diseases also. Various researches has been going on to improve the smart monitoring of the agriculture as well as the surveillance systems. So, water quality monitoring is another critical environment applications. Clean water is a very essential parameter for human health and also agriculture and also other industrial activities. IoT sensors actually helps to detect the pH level or dissolved some oxygen level or temperature level and other the contamination level also how much is being contaminated. Everything is being measured and all this collected data is transmitted to the real-time water systems, and this enables quick reaction to prevent water pollutions with, and protect the public health systems. If continuous monitoring systems does not play a major role, then the entire human citizens is going to face a very healthy risk also. So, so we cannot avoid this smart environment systems in the current scenario of our living being. And last but not the least, there are four critical parameters components of IoT based this SEM smart environment systems for this vital insights and decision making. One is observations. So using sensors, we have to keep on observing the data time by time and collect the data. And second point is the next step is to analyze the data. So all those devices collected data, we have to say in the form of metric has to do some analysis to make a informed decisions as how to reduce the environmental impact. That's the whole aim of this exercise. Third one is storage data. The storage data is to store the all the collected data for future purpose. Based on this history of this data, and the preventive maintenance can be taken in the future. For the purpose, we can be make use of this. And the last one is action. Provide actionable insights from the data and analysis. But the business people need to be able to take action based on the data that has been gathered and analyzed. So IoT enabled smart mart systems can provide business some useful insights in order to reduce the water contaminations and make the environmental a healthy one for the upcoming generations also. And this is the just pictorial representation of our environmental monitoring systems. One is waste management systems, how we here segregated the waste right from collecting the waste from the each and every house and segregating the waste into organic waste, inorganic waste also. This comes under waste management and how you transmit the waste into a outskirts of the city and how you process the organic waste into a useful, into a recycling one, all and making it into a useful, reusable product also. This comes under waste management systems and vehicle tracking systems also. It's very very important and air as well as water quality has to be carefully monitored without getting polluted by not exceeding the threshold limit. We have to very cautious about the contamination level also, and also the extreme weather condition also, how it impact the environmental system also, climate change. See, because of see more and more CO2 gas has been uh, emitted by the vehicles, so it increase the temperature of the earth surface. All those things has to be controlled, and this with this we have come to the last end of the session. Thank you.